The case of Monteroso versus Atienza highlights the importance of accountability among public officials, especially those in positions of trust. Let's examine the facts, the issues, and the Supreme Court's ruling. Humphrey T. Monteroso, the former Deputy Ombudsman for Mindanao, faced multiple complaints during his tenure. In one complaint, the spouses Ozabel accused Monteroso of failing to act on a criminal case against General Santos City Mayor Pedro Acaron Jr. for tampering with land titles. Despite directives from his superiors and multiple motions for resolution, the case remained unresolved for over 2 years. Monteroso blamed the delay on insufficient staff and claimed he had delegated the matter. In another complaint, Emmanuel Arquilano alleged that Monteroso used him for personal errands and involved him in questionable financial transactions under his name. Similarly, Chief Administrative Officer Amelia Peligro reported that Monteroso berated her and suppressed her attempts to submit HR files for investigation. The Internal Affairs Board, IAB, found Monteroso liable for simple neglect of duty, grave misconduct, grave abuse of authority, and conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service. Was Monteroso guilty of grave misconduct and abuse of authority for using government personnel for personal gain and failing to act on cases under his jurisdiction? The Supreme Court affirmed the findings of the IAB and the Court of Appeals. Monteroso was found guilty of neglect of duty, misconduct, and abuse of authority. While his term had already expired, the penalty of dismissal was converted into a fine equivalent to 6 months' salary. Accessory penalties were imposed, including the forfeiture of his retirement benefits, cancellation of civil service eligibility, and perpetual disqualification from holding public office. This case underscores the need for ethical leadership in public office. Officials entrusted with public service must act promptly, uphold integrity, and avoid misuse of their authority, ensuring they serve the people responsibly and transparently.